The Meaningful Beauty 5-Piece Starter Kit is a skincare set developed by supermodel Cindy Crawford in collaboration with French anti-aging specialist Dr. Jean-Louis Sebag. It promises ageless beauty and targets fine lines and wrinkles. Here's what you need to know. The kit includes 5 essential products for day and night skincare. These products aim to rejuvenate, hydrate, and visibly firm the skin. When used consistently, the kit can improve radiance, clarity, and overall skin appearance. It's suitable for those looking to address signs of aging. The specific products in the kit may vary, but they typically include a cleanser, serum, moisturizer, eye cream, and sunscreen. Each product plays a role in maintaining healthy, youthful skin. Positive points. Rejuvenation. The kit helps rejuvenate the skin, making it look more radiant and youthful. Hydration. Proper hydration is essential for healthy skin, and this kit emphasizes hydration. Ease of use. Having a complete set simplifies your skincare routine. Negative points. Customization. Not all products may suit everyone equally. Some users might find certain components less effective. Price. While not exorbitant, the kit isn't the most budget-friendly option. Results may vary. As with any skincare product, individual results can vary based on skin type and other factors. In summary, the Meaningful Beauty 5-Piece Starter Kit offers convenience and promises ageless beauty. If you're curious about trying it, consider your skin's unique needs and preferences before making a decision.